everyone. So are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be drawing a geometric bull face. So let's get started. And if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And if you have any questions, comments, don't forget to let me know by commenting below. And you can always connect with me through my other social media like my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and connect with me through those media as well, and send me a message, DM me as well if you want. So then let's get started. This is going to be very easy and colorful too, so I will show you every step of the way. So there you go. And this is the final colored look. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below to buy products with this geometric bull face on. So then I will also leave you with some other videos to go check out as well, including the playlist for other geometric drawings. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and you can always request something for me to draw by commenting below, and if I can draw it, I will draw it for you. And to do as well, if you want me to try out a DIY project, or if you want me to do something, let me know in the comments below. So then have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.